Hello superstars, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how you can earn money online. So you're going to be earning $120 per day, and in 2 days you serve on this website, you're going to get $240. And not just that, once you are registered, you are going to be given $3 bonus, and that $3 you can withdraw it at any time you want. So please, if you came across the channel right now, please subscribe to the channel. It is going to be very helpful. And please also like this video. It is very important. Please like this video so that this video can go out to other persons. So if you have liked this video and you're a new subscriber and you have subscribed, thank you for doing that. And without wasting much of your time, let's get into this video. So in this website, you're not going to register for anything. You're not going to register for anything. What you just need is your internet and Google. So once your internet is turned on, the next thing you have to do is to go over to Google. Okay, please like this video. If you have any question or you don't get any part of this video, just leave a comment and I'm going to reply. And then you want to type on Squishy Cash. Okay, that's the spelling, SQISHY, then cash. So once you search it, this is what you're going to be seeing. Okay, so as you can see, it's Squishy's and Cash Legit. As you can see, please do not just jump into the website like that. Let me teach you how you can make money from it. Do not just jump into it or leave this video and then go and search for it. Please wait, let me show you how. Then you search on, as you can see, Squishy Cash is a legit GPT site. Okay, so let us register. So you're going to be clicking on this part where it says join. That's the part you're going to be clicking on. So once I click on that part where it says join, it's going to bring me over to the registration panel. You write the registration site. I'm going to fill in my details, but no, you're not putting any of your bank details right now. It's only when you want to withdraw your money, you're going to put either your bank, your PayPal, or any other online wallet you have. Okay, I think it has automatically logged me into my account. Oh God, as you can see, I just created this account for you guys, and as you can see, I have $3. I just registered and I had $3, of which I can also withdraw. Okay, so let me show you how the registration site is. Let me try if I can log out. Okay, let me try if I can log out. Wait guys, let me look for if I can. Let me pause this video and check if I can log out. Okay guys, as you can see, I just changed my browser and right now I'm using Chrome. Okay, so right now I'm using Chrome because I want you guys to understand how this thing works. I don't want to skip any part of this video. And if you love the way I'm doing it, please just like this video and leave a comment. You're doing a good job. Okay, so now in order for you to register, what you just actually need is your first name. As you can see, your first name and your last name. You put in your username, your password, you confirm your password, you put in your email, and then you confirm your email. Why this section right here is not that important, it is optional. Then you put in your date of birth. Even teenagers can do this. If you have any brother, any sister that is a teenager that is higher than 13 or 13 years old, you can just register them on this and let them start doing what I'm about to show you in order for them to make money online too. If they ask you referred by who, you can just write below here, or you can leave it blank, and then you're going to click on this I am not a robot. It's going to give you a good sign. Then mark this there and terms of condition, and then you sign up. So once you sign up, it's going to automatically log you into your account. Now this is what you're going to be seeing once you are automatically logged into your account, and you'll be getting $3 instantly, of which you can withdraw. But I will advise you that you should not withdraw it instantly, but maybe we can just perform task and then get paid, then add up with the $3 and get paid hugely. Now in order for you to start earning, what you have to do is to click on this part where it says earn. Okay, so once I click on the part where it says, it's going to bring me over to this thing. I'm going to be clicking on all offers. Let me show you guys. Okay, so this is what is going to be showing me. As you can see, you can perform a whole lot of tasks here in order for you to get paid. And task comes up each and every time. You can search for other tasks and do other tasks, but in a day, as far as you're ready to spend your time here, as you can see, it's mainly for teenagers. That's why they say from 13 years up. But if you're not a teenager, maybe you're up to 20 something, you can still come over here and perform tasks and you can get paid. As you can see, this one is paying $2.25. This one is paying $30, and this one is paying 0.3 cents. There are a whole lot of tasks here. You just have to come over here and refresh your page, and they're going to be seeing more and more lot of tasks or offer for you to do. As you can see, there are all offers. These are all offers. They have new offers, they have free offers, they have service, they have trial, they have shopping offers too. They have a lot of offers here. So what I will just advise you to come and do here is just to get registered, and you can also refer friends. And once you refer friends, you're going to get paid for that. You're going to click on this part where it says refer, and then read your terms of condition for referring friends. And once you refer your friends sign up, you're going to still get paid a cash. Then you want to refer friends or you want to perform tasks in order to get paid, and that's how Squishy Cash works. It is literally easy, it is cool, amazing. Just come over here and start performing tasks, and then you're gonna get paid for that. I hope this video was quite educative and informative. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video.